as a biological process. It is a biological process in which an organism give rise to the young ones similar to itself. Okay, like horse will form horse, humans will form humans, cat will form cats. Okay, so the new organism will arrive in this world by the process of reproduction, which are similar to their parents. Doesn't mean they are exact copies, but they are having similar characters to their parents. Okay, so bache, here young ones can also be written as offsprings. Offspring means the new individual, that is called as offsprings. Okay, so bache, next see, when offspring will take birth, it will grow. When it will grow, it will become mature. After it will become mature, the organism is now capable of giving birth or giving the rise to the new offsprings. Okay, means when the organism will give birth, that organism will grow, then it will become mature, then it will be capable of reproducing. That means it can form new offsprings. Okay, so bache, why this reproduction is important? The main thing behind this is this, that it enables the continuity of the species. Means the species will be there on this earth by this process of reproduction. If humans will not give birth to human beings, how human will be there on this earth? Okay, so same in the case of other animals. So reproduction is important for the continuity of species on this earth. Okay, so bache, now let's focus on the reproduction types. So bache, reproduction is of two types. Okay, so you have already read about it. First of all, you will read about asexual reproduction. So reproduction is of two type, asexual and sexual. Asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. So first of all, let's read about the asexual reproduction. So bache, asexual reproduction is a type of reproduction in which the parents, the single-celled parents, give rise to offspring. Means the production of offspring by single parent. Okay, by single parent is called as a asexual reproduction. But no formation of gametes takes place, no male and female gametes are formed, as only single parent is involved. So bache, exact copies of the parents will be formed. Why exact copies will be formed? The exact copies will be formed because only one parent's character is